안녕, this is Sunny, your Korean study buddy. Today we will break down all of the Korean consonants together. Throughout the video, you will learn how to pronounce and write lineed letters as well as some basic words. Without further ado, let's get started. The first consonant is 기역 and is pronounced 그. The stroke order is super easy. As you can see, when you write it, you just draw a horizontal line first and then a vertical line. The word containing 기역 is 가방, meaning bag. The second consonant is 쌍기역, which is pronounced 끄. When you write it, you just need to write 기역 twice side by side, but in a smaller size. A word containing 쌍기역 is 까마귀, which means crow. The third consonant is 니은, which makes the sound 느. When you write it, you draw a vertical line first and then a horizontal line. An essential word including 니은 is 나무, meaning tree. The fourth consonant is 디귿, which makes the sound 드. When you write it, draw a horizontal line and then you can just write 니은 again. A basic word starting with 디귿 is 다리, which is a homonym meaning both leg and bridge. Our fifth consonant is 쌍디귿, which consists of two 디귿 and sounds like 드. When writing it, you just need to write 디귿 twice. A basic word that uses 쌍디귿 is 딸기, meaning strawberry. The sixth consonant is 리을, which is pronounced 르. Regarding writing, just imagine you are writing 기역 and 디귿 continuously. A word including 리을 is 라면, meaning instant noodles. Let's move on to the next consonant, 미음, which is pronounced 무. Regarding stroke order, you probably already know how to write it. Just draw a square. A word starting with this is 마늘, meaning garlic. The eighth consonant is 비읍, which is pronounced p or p. In terms of writing, I like to draw a square-like shape first and then a short horizontal line inside of it. A word that begins with 비읍 is 바다, meaning sea. The ninth consonant is 쌍비읍, which is pronounced b. In this context, 쌍 means double, so you just need to write 비읍 twice, similar to the other letters we have seen before. A word that begins with 쌍비읍 is 빠르다, which is the adjective meaning fast. Our 10th consonant is 시옷, which is pronounced s. When writing it, draw a diagonal line first and then draw a short line on the right side. A basic word starting with 시옷 is 사람, meaning person. Hooray! You have already learned half of all Korean consonants. Keep watching so you don't miss the rest of the letters. Our 11th letter is 쌍시옷, which sounds like s. It consists of two 시옷, so you just need to write two small 시옷. A word containing 쌍시옷 is the verb 싸우다, meaning to fight. The 12th letter is 이응, which sounds like 응, or it can just be a silent placeholder. Writing it is as it says pie. Just draw a circle. An example of a word where it is silent is in 아기, meaning baby. As you can see, it starts with 이응. An example of a word where this letter is pronounced is in 강, meaning river. The 13th letter is 지읒, pronounced 즈. In terms of stroke order, you need to draw a horizontal line first and then write 시옷 under the line. A word beginning with 지읒 is 자전거, meaning bicycle. The 14th letter is 쌍지읒, which is pronounced 즈. When you write it, just draw two small 지읒 in the way you learned before for similar letters. A word containing this letter is 짜다, which is the adjective to describe something salty. Our 15th consonant is 티읒, which is pronounced 치. Regarding stroke order for this letter, you need to write a very short vertical line and then draw 지읒 right under the line. A word containing 지읒 is 차, which is a homonym meaning either car or tea. Our 16th consonant is 티읒, which is pronounced 트. When writing it, you need to write 티귿 first and then draw another short horizontal line inside of it. A word including this letter is 타조, meaning ostrich. The 18th consonant is 피읍, sounds like p. When writing it, write a long horizontal line first and then draw two short vertical lines. To finish it off, draw a long horizontal line again, like this. A word containing 피읍 is 파도, meaning wave. The last consonant is 히읗, which is pronounced h. Regarding stroke order, draw a short vertical line and horizontal line, and then write 이응 underneath the two lines. An example of a word that begins with 히읗 is 하나, which means the number 1. Congratulations on learning all of the Korean consonants today. If you liked this video, please click the like button and subscribe. I hope to see you for the next video. 안녕!